Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. On today's tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to make a jumpsuit, and I will be using 2 years of Duchess material to achieve this style. So please don't forget to subscribe now. You can like, comment, and you can also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified so that you can watch my new tutorial. So if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and let's get started now with our tutorial for today. So this is the fabric that we are using for our jumpsuits that we are making today. It's 2 years of Duchess material. Okay, so please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today. It's very simple to make. So I'm going for my length, which is 28 inch. Okay, so I'm marking 28 inch for my length. All right, so I will just draw a straight line for that. Okay. So my crotch is 11.5 inch. Okay, so I'm marking 11.5 inch for my crotch. All right, so I will just draw a straight line also. So that's for my crotch. So I'm trying to arrange it very well. So my hip line is 9 inch. So I'll mark 9 inch for my hip line. Okay, so that's my hip line, which is 9 inch. All right. So don't forget we are making jump suits, and we are using 2 years of Duchess material to achieve the style that we are making today. It's very simple to learn how to cut it. So I'll just draw a straight line. That's my hip line. I'm going to take my hip measurement, which is 40 inch. Okay, so my measurement is 40 inch. All right, so I'll draw a straight line for that. Okay, so this is going to guide us on how to take our measurement. So now is the width is 12 points. Please is 12 inch the width. Okay, so my hip measurement, please my waist measurement is 28 inch. Then I'll add 1 inch for my dart. All right, guys, remember my hip is 40 inch. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll connect from my waist to my hip. All right. You can see that the style is not too difficult for you to learn how to cut on your own. Okay. So on my crotch line, I'm going to add 2 inch. Okay. All right. So my knee length is, and then you give a curve for it. Okay. On my crotch. All right. Please hope you are following up. So my knee measurement is 18 inch. Okay, so I'm taking 18 inch for my knee measurement. Then I'll rule a straight line. So that is for my knee length, okay, which is 18 inch. So to get my middle point, I will go to my crotch measurement. Okay, so I will measure what I have there, which is 24 inch. Then you divide it by 2 inch. Then it's going to give you 12 inch. Then you divide it again by 2 inch. Then it's going to give you 6 inch. That means that our middle point, that is our knee middle point, is 6 inch. Okay, hope you are following up, guys. So I'm taking the measurement for that. So our round nail is 16 inch. Then you divide it by 2 inch and it's going to give you 8 inch. So you mark 4 inch on both sides. That is, you know that after dividing it, you are having 8 inch. So you mark 4 one side, then you mark 4 at the other side. Okay? So you divide it into two. Alright? So that's what we are doing now. So after that, then I will just connect from my crotch to my knee. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay? Hope you are following up. Don't forget you are making jumpsuits. So we are doing the down part now. Please, I hope you are following up with the measurements. Okay? So please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. If you have not done that, you can comment, like, and give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. So now is my hip line, which is, please, this is my hemline. I'm sorry about that. It's 14 inch. Then you divide it by 2 inch, which is 7 inch. Then you divide it again by 2 inch. That's 7. You divide it again by 2. It's going to give you 3.5 inch. So you now mark 3.5 inch on both sides. Hope you are following up, guys. So that is for our hemline. Okay, so after that we just connect it down to the hemline. Then we are going to cut it out. Then after cutting it, so we are going to use the front to lay at the back side and cut the back piece. So please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that you are making. It's a very simple style to learn how to cut on your own, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and support this channel to grow. I really want this channel to grow, guys. Please, all you need to do is for you to please watch this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. Going to support my channel to grow, guys. And you can also check my other tutorials on my channel so that you can learn how to cut the other styles that we have on my channel. So after cutting it, now we are going to cut the back piece. This is the front piece that we are cutting now. And guys, you can note, if you can take note of the front piece that we are cutting now, you can see that I'm not adding any allowance. So we are going to add the sewing allowance at the back piece. Is I want you to take note of that we are going to do that at the back piece. So now we are cutting the back piece. So I'm taking the width of the back, which is 14 inch. Okay, so I will just use the front piece to lay on the back piece. Then we are going to cut it out. So what I will do, I will take my crotch line. I will add 2 inch on my crotch line. Okay, so that's the 2 inch. And also on my waistline, I'm going to also add 2 inch. I'll just be adding 2 inch on the sewing allowance. So my waistline also, I'm going to also add 2 inch on it. Then on my hip also, I'm going to also add 1.5 inch. Okay. So on my flap, I'm going to also add 1 inch on it. So from the front waist, I'm going to remove 1 inch. Then at the back, then I'll add 1.5 inch. Okay. So you can see that the style is not difficult to learn how to cut and sew on your own. So you can see that the back is bigger than the front. Okay. So what we are going to do now, we just cut it out. It's going to have a zipper, a side zipper, guys. So please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making. Don't forget we are using 2 years of Duchess material to achieve this style that we are making today, and we are making jumpsuit. It's a very simple and smart outfit that we are making today. So guys, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end. I hope you are following up and I hope you are enjoying our tutorial for today. Okay. So I want to curve it and cut it out. So you can see that the back is higher than the front. Please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome. So this is how to join the two pieces together. So the front and the back piece, this is how to join it together. So after that, we take it to the machine and run a stitch on both sides, and our trouser will be ready before we will now cut the upper side of our job suit that we are making today. So I hope you understood what we are doing now. All right. So this is how the trouser is now. We have joined it together, we have ironed it. So now we are going to cut the upper side of it. So this is the upper piece that we want to cut out now. So I'm going for my length, which is 16.5 inch. Okay, so I'm marking 16.5 inch for the length of my upper piece. Then the width is 11 inch. Okay, so my neckline is 5 inch. All right, so I'm taking it down, bringing the neckline by 2 inch. All right, I'll just give a curve because it's a small round neck. It's not too exposed. All right, so now is my bust. Please, my shoulder is 8 inch. All right, then my bust is 38 inch. Then I added 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. Okay. Okay, guys, don't forget I'm using 1 inch to slope my shoulder. Okay, all right. So now is my waist measurement. Guys, it's actually my bust that I'm taking the measurement, which is 38 inch. Then I added 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. Then I'm covering my armhole now. Okay. So now is my waist measurement is 28 inch, and I also added 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. Alright, what I will do now, just connect all the marks together, then we are going to cut it out. You can see that the upper side is not difficult, and it's going to have side zipper. Alright, so after cutting it, what I will do, I will take it to the machine and run a stitch on it. Alright, so guys, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making. Please just pause now and click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see it and learn from it, guys. And also you can also comment, can like it also. So let us know what you think about our tutorial, and this particular tutorial, please, I want you to tell me what you think about it also. All right, so now I will just take the back piece now. I'm going to take down the neckline of my neck of my back piece that I'm cutting now. So I'm going to take it down. I'm using just 2 inch to bring the neckline down. Okay, so please, like I said, we made use of 2 years of Duchess material to achieve this style that we are making. That's 2 years of Duchess material. That's the fabric that we are using to achieve this style that we are making today, guys. So after that, this is the neckline. I'm bringing the depth of the back neckline by 2 inch. All right, so I'm still cutting the back neckline. So you can see how simple it is. It's not too difficult for you to cut on your own, just for you to follow the procedure that we are using to cut this style that we are making today, and you're going to get your own. So now we are going to wear it out. So you can see that our jumpsuit is ready, very smart and beautiful, and is armless. What I'm wearing inside is my skin transparent nets. Please, thank you for watching, and you can also check my other tutorials so that you can also learn the other style that we have on my channel. Please support this channel to grow by watching my tutorials down to the end, especially this one that we are making today.